Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Weatherford's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Weatherford's latest earnings report provides a comprehensive look at their performance amidst industry challenges. I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Weatherford reported a revenue of $1,232 million for the third quarter of 2025, which is a 2% increase sequentially. However, operating income decreased by 25% to $178 million. John, can you elaborate on these figures?
Absolutely. The revenue increase is modest, but it's important to note the sequential growth despite industry headwinds. The decline in operating income, down 25% sequentially, reflects the challenges in managing costs and operational efficiencies. However, the adjusted EBITDA of $269 million, which increased by 6%, shows that Weatherford is still maintaining a strong operational base.
And what about net income?
Net income came in at $81 million, a 40% decrease sequentially. This drop is significant, but it's crucial to consider the broader market conditions and Weatherford's strategic investments, which are expected to yield long-term benefits.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 50 cents for Weatherford, but the actual EPS came in slightly lower at 113 cents. John, how should investors interpret this?
The slight miss on EPS, compared to the forecast of $1.15, is not overly concerning given the broader context. The 40% sequential and 48% year-over-year decrease in EPS highlights the pressures Weatherford is facing. However, their strategic initiatives and cost management efforts are expected to stabilize earnings in the future.
Strategic initiatives and innovations. Weatherford has been active on the strategic front, expanding their credit facility by $280 million and offering $1,200 million in senior notes. They also hosted the FWRD 2025 conference. John, what does this mean for the company?
These strategic moves are pivotal. The credit facility expansion and senior notes offering strengthen Weatherford's financial foundation, providing liquidity and better debt terms. The FWRD conference showcased their commitment to innovation with the launch of their industrial intelligence digital portfolio and over 20 new products, positioning them well for future growth.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Weatherford reported $138 million in cash flow from operations and $99 million in adjusted free cash flow. CEO Girish Saligram expressed optimism about the mid to long-term outlook. John, how do these figures and statements align with Weatherford's future prospects?
The cash flow figures indicate solid operational management, with an 8% increase in cash flow from operations sequentially. CEO Saligram's optimism is backed by strategic initiatives and market positioning. The declared dividend of $25 per share also reflects confidence in their financial stability and commitment to shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, Weatherford's third quarter results show resilience amidst challenges, with strategic initiatives paving the way for future growth. Key takeaways include a revenue of $232 million, an adjusted EPS of 1.13, and a $280 million credit facility expansion. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Weatherford's strategic focus and innovation efforts are promising for long-term investors.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Weatherford's performance in the comments below.